If you find yourself logged out of your Mercado Pago account, follow these steps to regain access quickly. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Mercado Pago website. Go to the official Mercado Pago website or open the mobile app. Look for the login section where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the eshor.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Mercado Pago account. This information is necessary for sending you recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Look for a recovery email or SMS from Mercado Pago. Follow the instructions provided in the message to reset your password or unlock your account. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the recovery link, create a new password that meets the security requirements. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. After completing these steps, you should be able to log back into your Mercado Pago account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Mercado Pago's customer support for further assistance.